Health Director Dr. K. Rajo says no confirmed case of novel coronavirus in India, including Manipur, as per report of World Health Organization. Police arrest one suspect in murder case of Wasima Kulakpam from Yaripok to Lehot. JAC gives government 48 hours to take necessary actions. And United Forum of Bank Unions calls three-phase nationwide general strike over pending wage revision. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanal Sambandaram with the top stories and latest news at this hour. First up, amid rumors of a suspected novel coronavirus case being reported at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Health Director Dr. K. Rajo clarified that there is no confirmed case of novel coronavirus in India, as per the report of World Health Organization. He said the suspected case of the virus report at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences is not confirmed yet, and it is still under observation. Dr. K. Rajo was speaking at the capping and lamp lighting ceremony of a female health worker training school held at its campus in Lumfeld, Sanakaitel today. He added that medical teams are carrying out necessary novel coronavirus screening on people entering the state since January 18 at Imphal International Airport and at other crucial entry points. Dr. K. Rajo also said RIMS and Janims hospitals have been instructed to take strict safety measures in the event of the virus outbreak. He assured that RIMS is all set to tackle the virus at any cost. Health Director Dr. K. Rajo appealed to people to be cautious and maintain hygiene, especially while consuming foods, as the virus cannot harm people with a strong immune system.
Suspected case ngakani confirm oiba World Health Organization na yakoi di World Health Organization gi pangnuti longnari NCDC na masi damta labor Delhi da center amalai nan koi NCDC na asidagi koi paular ga nuti gi paulori asi section thoram khudi mak lori adne koi na posai kharchu longnana bagi mask kumba personal protective equipment kumba longnana ngak tanga so koi India ma thag sa mayam na su kibiganu adubu masida yakoi gi phajana chaba chara hen bidaba adagi phajana diet phajana char ga leiba mi khudi Sara Helagadi immunity Hande, Lok Tungber, Adagi, Maku season or immunity Sunday, immunity Hantadanaba, Sang, my exercise Togana, Apo Sinjaksan, Levi Bitaba, Mana, immunity and Kanano, Sintam, I am Dijak.
Now, Impact News bring you an exclusive report on precautionary measures taken by Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, the biggest medical institute of Manipur, against China's novel coronavirus.
Ako hojik legitimate masi Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS ki campus tani akoi gi hojik novel coronavirus 2019 haina riba viral disease asin maram orega China da mioi chama tak laikhidre aduga mioi lishing mari gi thakte hena leina asim laikanari hai leina ase akoi gi India da maroina Manipur da yarok labra hai bi singnaba leibaga loinana hariba leina asig layung manaba mioi khara RIMS laikani haibagi paw ma social media da viral oirakpa asi matangda akoi RIMS ki medical superintendent Professor Sheikh Arun Kumar unandana RIMS ki makai de karma thorang paikhalibage amasung hairi leina asiga layung manaba akoi suspected person cam hojik RIMS to pholok pa leirabage haiba matangda Impact News ka changchinduna masi matangda report amatang lominasi
Novel coronavirus 2019 masigi matangda intensive community awareness koi media gi thongda togre intensive surveillance amachu chatari ngasi maktada pung tarada aigi kada mari lenaba doctors nurses healthcare workers meeting togre meeting agenda di coronavirus novel type 2019 masi koi Manipur da laga kramain togduna thennagadege haiba sigim tangdani akoina ahanmada dedicated committee ama semi Masigi dedicated committee si department ma'am cover tawi doctors professors ma'am yawi casualty medical officer yawi anesthetist yawi epidemiologist yawi nurses yawi foreign country dagi hairaba China dagi lakpa Nepal dagi lakpa South Korea dagi lakpa singsi within the period of 14 days dagi Imphal da thungma matam sida by air route lakpa matam da airport ta medical directorate amasung additional medical director ta RK amsung Dr. Razona ngara su tamigre ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯑꯦꯌꯔꯄꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯂꯩ ꯗꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯝꯕꯨꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯁꯁꯄꯤꯁꯤꯌꯁ ꯀꯦꯁꯇꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯇ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯖꯦꯅꯤꯝꯁꯇ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯐꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯁꯣꯂꯦꯁꯟ ꯋꯥꯔꯗꯇ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯧꯖꯤꯜꯂꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯣ ꯄꯤ ꯗꯤꯗ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯀꯦꯖꯨꯋꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯍꯜꯂꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯇꯤꯞ ꯃꯦꯖꯔꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯣꯅꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯛꯇꯤꯞ ꯏꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯞꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁ N95 ꯃꯥꯁꯛ ꯒꯥꯎꯟ ꯕꯨꯠ ꯒ꯭ꯂꯞꯁ ꯎꯞꯄ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯋꯥꯠꯑꯦꯚꯔ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯜꯁ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯤꯃꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯤꯃꯦꯇꯔ SpO2 ꯑꯣꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯔꯍꯣꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯤꯖꯟꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯦꯟꯇꯦꯖ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯟꯊꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯤꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭रेꯁꯀ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ICMRꯒꯤ SOP ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯂꯦꯕꯣꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯇꯦꯁꯠ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯇꯦꯁꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯦꯜ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯆ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯗꯦꯕꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯂꯦꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯗꯥꯏꯒꯅꯣꯁꯇꯤꯛ ꯂꯦꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯅꯣꯕꯦꯜ ꯇꯥꯏꯞ ꯀꯣꯔꯣꯅꯥ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯁ 2019 ꯑꯁꯤꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯄꯨꯅꯦꯗ ꯊꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯄꯜꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯣꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯞ ꯂꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯁꯦꯝꯄꯜꯁꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯣꯔꯦꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ VTM ꯀꯧꯏ ꯚꯥꯏꯔल ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯃꯤडियम ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯅꯤꯅꯤ 48 ꯑꯋꯥꯔꯁ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤቭ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤቭ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤቭ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯕ ꯆꯨꯝꯅꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯤꯅꯔꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯨ ꯏꯟꯐ꯭ꯂꯨएंजा ꯚꯥꯏꯔल ꯐꯤꯚꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯗꯦ ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯁꯄꯦꯛꯇꯦꯠ ꯀꯦꯁ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯤꯊꯗꯅꯕ ꯂꯨꯞꯍꯣꯜ ꯂꯩꯇꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯤꯖꯟ ꯁꯤꯂꯤꯟꯗꯔ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ D टाइप सिलेंडर अचौबा सिलेंडर 5 प्लस B टाइप 5 लई एंटीबायोटिक होई पीगरे विटामिन्स पीगरे हाइबी ड्रिप ngam kaina lei हाइबी सेट मा kaina lei जेलको lei SOP थेली aduna अखोई साइट की तौबम थोकपा अखोई एकदम तौरी दुगा सिगुम मतंग चितदी यामना कंफर्म तौब नत्रगदी ए सोशल मीडिया धागला निंगदे लो लाइहौ तौबा अदगी फ्लू इन्फ्लुएंजा तौबा सिटी कोरोना वायरस थोकत्रिगी ममांग दे अखोई सोसाइटी सिदम लेरा पोट अमने कोरोना वायरस सि थोलअब मतुंग सिदा मागी साइंस इन मानरुबी वादने बा तौबदुबु माना हप्ता मतुंग जरा हिंजले हाइबनेबा सोर मनु वाइटे निमोनिया तौरी कोले हाइबनी वादनी मसा सोक्थरे सडनली फेटिक ओइरी हाइबनेबा सडनली अखोइना ऑफ गार्ड पेशेंट जरा नो बुसलोने मात्रो आइना मेडिकल डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर राजो नत्रगना एडिशनल डायरेक्टर एपिडेमियोलॉजिस्ट लेडी डॉक्टर आरके मासु फिजिशियन नेबा MD फिजिशियन मादि इज वेरी क्वालिफाइड डॉक्टर राजो मसामक इनिशिएटिव्स ने मा वेंटिलेशन माना तौदुइनी मी सोरंगम दे वेंटिलेटर पांग मा पांदुइनेबा ही इज आल्सो वेरी एक्सपर्ट मोइदिन फॉर्म तौरनी पेशेंट दो खोइ थमनेबा थमिबा पेशेंट दो आइगी टीम अमंग असि सेमिसिना अदुम येंगनी हेबको सुमाइना तौरगा सपोर्टिव मेजर्स पिरगा अदुम पेशेंट फरकनी आई एम वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक आई एम थाजे मरमदि अखोइ सिदा अखोइ टीम जिना गंगनी थाजे अदुगा तौबयाबसु तौगनी अखोइ लेरिबा रिसोर्स सिदा करिबु तौगेने करिबु चिनिनाइ लेरिगे आई डोंट हैव एनी डाउट
रिम्स के MS प्रोफेसर CS अंकुमार का उनर मतुंगदा महाकना फोंदोरपने मतुंगिना हजिक फावदा खोइगी कोरोना वायरस 2019 हारिब लेना असि नाबगी रिपोर्ट रिम्स लेट्री अदुगा इंडिया लसु हारिब लेना असि नाबगी कन्फर्म ओइबा केस हजो लेट्री हाइना फोंदोरके अदुबो हारिब लेना असि एनी टाइम संदोरपु याबगी चांस वाम मरम ओइरगा हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट की मार्केटिंग इम्फाल इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट यावना मणिपुर की एंट्री पॉइंट मरीदा हाइबदी बेहांग माउ जिरीबाम अमसुं मोरेदा मेडिकल ऑफिसर थमदुना चेकिंग थरंग लखटपा हौख्रबने रिम्स की मार्केटिंग सुंग असि अयुक होइगे MS प्रोफेसर शेस अंकुमार लुसिंगबा हाई लेवल की डॉक्टर सिंह यावबा मीटिंग अमा पांगथोक्तुना डेडिकेटेड कमिटी अमा फॉर्म तौख्रे लोइना होइगे आइसोलेशन वार्ड हांगदोक्तुना हाइरिबा लेना असि नाबगी सस्पेक्टेड पर्सन लेबा तारगदी आइसोलेशन वार्ड से थमदुना ट्रीटमेंट पीबा होनबगी थबक रेडीदा लेरे हाइना MS की मार्केटिंग फोंदोरखे अदुबो हौजिक हौजिक फावबगी ओइनादि हाइरिबा लेना असि नाबगी रिपोर्ट अमदि सस्पेक्टेड केस लेतम ओइरगा मियामना काहेना मिपानिंगाइ ओइदे हाइनासु MS की मार्केटिंग थमलकले कैमरा पर्सन आरामम योहेंग लोइना पाउदुमजरिबा लालपाल वहेंगबम इम्पैक्ट न्यूज़ इम्फाल
Welcome back. Two medical teams of Moreh Hospital they have carried out screening for novel coronavirus infection upon individuals entering the state from Myanmar at Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 1 and 2 today. The teams are using infrared thermometers to check temperature of the enterers. Three-membered medical teams of Tammu District Hospitals are also carrying out screening using 3 infrared thermometers each at Namphallong Gate and Friendship Bridge from Myanmar, while 2-membered medical teams of India are carrying out screening using 1 infrared thermometer each. Imphal East Police has arrested a suspect in the murder of Kulakpamd Washima from Yaripok Tulihald. The arrested person is 25-year-old Mohammed Sahid, son of Mohammed Ithemd from Yaripok Changangdabi Mathak Laikai. Meanwhile, JAC against the brutal killing of Kulakpamd Washima has demanded to award befitted punishment to culprits involved in the murder case through a speedy trial fast-track court. The JAC has warned the government of intense agitation, including general strike in Manipur by civil society organizations, local clubs and other organizations if it failed to take necessary actions within 48 hours. Irong Chesaba Development Forum, ICDF, along Irong has also strongly condemned the unnatural death of Wasima and has extended full solidarity to all the initiatives of the JAC. JAC against the brutal killing of Kulakpamd Washima carried out a protest demonstration at Azad Higher School in Yaripok Tulihal today. Many people in the area took part in the protest meet. Students and teachers of Maharaj Bodhchandra College also carried out a protest demonstration at the college gate in Palace compound today, condemning the murder of Kulakpamd Washima, who is a second semester student of the college. It may be recalled that lifeless Washima was found in a pond at Kangjebung, Irong, Chesaba, Salamt Road under Mayang Imphal Police Station next morning after she went missing on the night of January 27th.
College asida tamlibi Satri Kulakpam Washima asi tamthiraba mawongda hatoaga hundoamba si akoi thawai haksang yaungna yasaningde asiba asiga mari lainana chenariba misaksing asi mari lainaba authority singna Chairak Pibinaba Ningshingjari Women Empowerment Hairaga Women Empowerment Laitaba Laiba Asigi Government na Sigumba Togduk Asi Ngasi Thoi Hayengju Tolakini Matang the Sumayam Tolakini Asi Yazaningde Hozik Toi Naishida Chairak se Akanba Loma Tambiraga Akanba Loma Tambiraga Toi Betogose Nakata na Tolak Tanaba Akanba Chairakama Chenariba Misakta Pibinaba Ningshingjari.
Women wing of Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization has also strongly condemned the brutal murder of Kulakpam Washima. In a press release, it has urged the government to award befitted punishment to miscreants involved in her death. An unidentified, around 35-year-old man suspected to be a Muslim was found dead at the public toilet complex of Nagamapal Kangjabi Ledak Machind this afternoon. City police immediately rushed to the spot and took the body at RIMS Hospital. City police officer in charge in a press release said doctors at RIMS pronounced him dead on arrival. The body is kept at RIMS morgue for investigation. Manipur People's Democratic Alliance has blamed the government for the frequent stir by the street vendors of Quaramban Market. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, MPDA convener Dr. T.H. Inaucha expressed discontentment that the government has failed to provide a permanent place for street vendors, but allotted vehicle parking space on the roadside of Quaramban, Pauna and Thangal markets. He appealed to the government not to be only concerned about getting profits from the parking loads, but also to acknowledge the plights facing street vendors and their families. The T.H. Inaucha asked why the government is reluctant to convert the parking areas into permanent vending place for the street vendors and to build parking space on Nambult riverbank.
lambi mayayda gari parking toksinba aduga hingnabgi lanphamda thengnariba imai ben singina phambam pibidaba ise masi it is very unfortunate masi ekoi khunai sigi oina yamna laibak thiba thodok amane na hamada thamjage maramdi karino hakanda lambi mina chana naba lambi mayayda gari parking mayam tawri gari parking tawri basi masidagi income mayama lengak ta lamba yai aduga gari tongaga laaga impan city ha mayonda thammi basi parking sidagi lakpa income adu khaktagi ekoi yengba yade hingnabgi lan famda imai ben lising kaya aikoi gi kaithian sida thola kan sida nongmagi sara taliba mayam sigi su akoi yengbam thoeba lengak na lambi mayai da natraga di gari parking tawham leitabra haibase lengak akoi Manipur People Democratic Front gi mai kai dagi su achoubo wang amo na hangeba.
Communist Party of India has demanded the government to withdraw its decisions to sell off India's famed airline Air India. The press release said that the Indian government is planning to sell off Air India for 37 crore rupees to private bidders. CPI said such actions clearly indicate BJP-led government's privatization policy. Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the upcoming nationwide general strike by bank employees on 31st of January. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Prime-Timed English News. Bank employees have resolved to carry out a phase-wise nationwide protest against Centre's failure to revise their wage. United Forum of Bank Union UFBU Manipur State Committee, an umbrella organization that includes 9 banks, held a press meet at SBI office at MG Avenue today. Speaking to media, committee chairman S. Bijoy said bank employees across the country have been demanding a salary raise and allowances befitted for their working hours. He added that the wage revision for public sector bank employees is pending for almost 26 months, and there is a lack of a clear commitment from the Indian Banks Association, the negotiation committee, on the union's demand. He declared that employees of various banks in the state will carry out protest demonstrations on 31st of January and 1st of February for the first phase, followed by 3-day protest from March 11th till 13th. S. Bijoy also warned that bank employees will launch indefinite strike from the 1st of April if the authorities concerned still fail to heed their demands.
Sahi manga khudingi akhoi wage revision si tawbani hojik phauji da tha kun taru phojangre masi phawda akhoi negotiation tawba ngamdaba thabak sin yam namhatpa siguma mayam sing asiga akhoi na phangiba wage siga yamna sanaktaba justification leiraktaba department khudingmak central government ki state ki ayam loinmak pay revision loi tawkhre
reasonable loiba demand moina adum hengatana delay tawba akhoi ri piriba leiriba percentage pay component adum de ki yamna nemba suguma mayam sigi khanarba matungda masigi conclusion si Lakibani, Akui, Toena Istaki Tony Manati, Adubu, Moina, Shumi Hangat Peter Banina, existing programsi, Akui, Toba Horasi, Ista Extension Taurasi, Maruina Karidamakta, Gourmangi attention, si draw Tonanaba, Madam the Akui, reasonable demands amicably solution Purokpu Hibisini when government Tambis.
Sports trainees of SAI Sports Training Center in Kumalampak Sports Complex today carried out a protest demonstration at the center's gate against elimination of any sports event from the center. Protesters urged the authority concerned not to create any hindrance to the players.
Mamang the hostel pull up Tingela money hire. Aduga hostel pull up Tingela money have the Okone Iran Katang Tobuzida. Moina hostel amo Tingelaroi, Labia, and Haramaga, even a humo Katalani hire, even a humje transfer orga, even a mass swimming diving in a Katalani hire. Ado Karimarangi Hondo Honjin Tog Duribano. Director Manatang has a pacanda. A quibo Yarni Harga Tadopiraga Kari, the Maxmana Mutobino, Simtang Yakoyam Noite, Manipur Gimisa por Abbas Hana Roshinjibo, Monemutalaga Carino, Coneto Durija, Sida Nessensa Mayauri, Sanabe, Ako Hosem, Zida Hana Lebesang, Dum Hambio, Honto Honjin Tobigano, a quick Pivanga Hambigano, a quick Pazan Natana Sana Pong and Biosini, Quina.
Konglei Park Students Association KSA has demanded the government to revoke its decision to eliminate 9 sports from Kumalam Park Special Training Center. Speaking to media at KSA office in Kuyatong today, Secretary of Youth Affairs and Sports of KSA, Kulakpamd Sanjoy, said that KSA strongly condemned Union Sports Secretary Radheshyam Jalania's announcement on the 16th of January to eliminate 9 sports from the center. He urged the government to look into the matter and ease the plights facing players of the center at the earliest, failing which he warned of intense agitation by KSA members along with the players and their parents.
Sanaroi kaya amana magi competition gi wakhal thamagi mahutta lamji tolok idang hoba simba kese goina yamna laibak thiba thamok songya thodok amani han lawje tun asung loba leidiba charangna phim asida ngasi pawda Manipur sagar gi mekai degi nadrana lenga asi gi mari na authority sing minister sing side degi afam amata phondok taba lona na khoi sai gi deputy de degi side degi su ngang ki oba hongra dang phondok laka na mohoi gi oba ari pa phim pibi da ba simba kese haksin na lawi lona na asung loba thabak tharom sing asi mathakta athubada wari sing lobi duna madi wari sing prokna khonna bidrabadi leidiba mairoi sing lona na khoi gi leidiba sanaroi sing amadi mama pa sing galona Manipur lebak myang walona na khoi gi warip lawmi na kan da makha ta ba khongthang sing lakhona gi sem sa ba do loisare.
Beneficiaries of Pradhan Mantri Awaj Yojana stormed MAHUD Minister Thaunaushim Shyam Kumar's quarter at the Kangla Port today, demanding bay-fitted action against Executive Officer of Lamlai Municipal Council Joyce Kep for allegedly withholding funds under the housing scheme. Protesters held various placards and marched towards the minister's quarter at around 1:30 this afternoon. Police team led by Imphal West Additional SP AG Sharma immediately rushed to the spot and contained the situation. Police allowed only few protesters to meet with Minister Shyam Kumar, but since he was unavailable, they meet with the minister's PRO. Speaking exclusively to Impact News after the meeting, one beneficiary said the minister's PRO assured them that measures are already in place to take action against the EO. Hence, they have a called off their agitation.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯃꯤꯉꯣꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟ ꯅꯨꯡ ꯄꯨꯗꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯝꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯊꯥ 7-9 ꯐꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯕ ꯏꯋꯣꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯁꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯗ ꯁꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯂꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤꯅ ꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯒ ꯇꯧꯔꯨ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯁꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯊꯤꯡꯖꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯖꯔꯨꯔꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯋꯥꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯗꯨ ꯀꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯏꯋꯣꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄꯤꯌꯣꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯟ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯎꯅꯖꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ.
1. As degent from the Panjabari of Assam's Kamrup Metro District has allegedly impersonated as a legal advisor and dubbed around 40 lakh rupees from Birla Emporiums Private Limited. The same was disclosed by founder, CEO, cum managing director of Birla Emporiums Private Limited at Kurai Chingabamd Laikai, Yumnam Iravanta today. Yumnam Iravanta said as Dijen, son of Diveshwar Singha, resides in a rental home at Chingmerong, Maning Laikai. He said 20 lakh rupees were transferred twice to an account through A2Jet Solution at Kwakaithil, Tingujamt Laikai. But on investigation, A2Jet Solution does not even exist. He further claimed that the company's bank data was found to be under the name of one Reed Mangsatabam. Yumnam Iravanta added that Dijen had filed a complaint to a Delhi-based company called Legal Rashtra, stating that Birla Emporium Private Limited is a company funded by terrorists, and he wanted to deactivate the company's license numerous times. Delhi police has lodged an FIR against the person after the company in Delhi gave the news to Birla Emporiums.
Humanity ground da haidwa miyo se kui hanna ekui company da officer lakna ba aduga masagi maral do haijau aduga ekoi kokpi ge haidana ekoi na warning hanna tawrabani adubu mahak lakpa leite Mr. Dizen haidiba nupa asi ekoi numin ini gi manungda Birla Emporium da mahanga tawjikiba maral du yazaraga sangbirak puga loina mahana laukiba paisa mayam do miyoiba amoina yamna lema mongda handok pirau aduna tragadi numin ini mung lak pidragadi madura thokba consequence kudimak mama samakna yabaga loinana akhoi lebak mayamna haidiba asigumba mayamgi thajaba manghanba tunga lakadaba youth singbu lana lamjingadaba asigumba kangu asi mayamna ꯊꯤꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯆꯩꯔꯥꯛ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯕꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯅꯤꯖꯔꯤ.
Officials of State Minor Irrigation Department today inspected the primary canals providing irrigation to paddy fields of Khangabok village. The team carried out the inspection following pleas made by Empowerment Organization of Youths of Khangabok EOYOK Thoubal District to Chief Minister Nongthumam Biren during Chief Minister's People's Day on 15th of January. The team led by Assistant Engineer of Thoubal Subdivision under Minor Irrigation Division 1 M. Michael along with representatives of EOYOK Khangabok inspected Thambal Angangbi canals passing through Wangzing, Lamding, Sangai Yumfamd and Leiden Konjint. They also inspected sub-canals of Arong River, which provides irrigation to major paddy fields in Khangabok area. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Health Director Dr. K. Rajo says no confirmed case of novel coronavirus in India, including Manipur, as per report of World Health Organization. Police arrest one suspect in murder case of Washima Kulakpamd from the Yairipok Tulihald. JAC gave government 48 hours to take necessary actions. And United Forum of Bank Unions called three-phase nationwide general strike over pending wage revision.